In the vibrant landscape of law, a particular area of interest is the South African law of persons. At its core, this law governs the relationships between individuals and the state, as well as between individuals themselves. This legal discipline is concerned with the beginning and end of legal personality, legal status, and the capacity to have rights and obligations. To peel back the layers of this fascinating area of law, it's essential to understand its basic principles. The South African law of persons is a branch of private law, one of the two broad categories of law that exist. While public law deals with relationships between individuals and the state, private law, on the other hand, oversees interactions between private individuals or entities. Now let's delve deeper into the concept of legal personality. It's the capacity of a person, whether a human being or an entity such as a company, to be the bearer of rights and duties. In other words, a legal person is someone or something that can enter into contracts, own property, and be sued or sue others. The beginnings and endings of legal personality are also significant. In South Africa, legal personality begins at birth and ends at death. However, there are exceptions to this rule. For example, a fetus has certain rights, like the right to be born, and a deceased person has certain obligations, such as the duty to settle debts. The concept of legal status is another cornerstone of the law of persons. It refers to the specific set of conditions that determine a person's legal position in society. Factors including age, marital status, and mental capacity can impact a person's legal status. For instance, a minor does not have the full capacity to act, meaning they cannot perform certain legal acts without assistance. Lastly, it's important to discuss the capacity to have rights and obligations. This refers to the ability to be the subject of legal rights and duties. All persons have this capacity regardless of their status or capacity to act. To sum up, the South African law of persons is a captivating field that governs the relationships between individuals and the state, as well as between individuals themselves. It's concerned with legal personality, its beginnings and endings, legal status, and the capacity to have rights and obligations. Understanding these components not only provides a solid foundation for further legal studies, but also helps illuminate the intricacies of human interactions within the framework of the law.